What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the text messages not receiving issue in MagicOS 8. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on this power button and then tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and after that the text messages receiving issue will be fixed. But if you're still facing the issue, then check your network. So if you're getting 3 or less than 3 bars of signals, then your network connection is poor. So move to an area where you can get good signals, and after getting good signals your issue will be fixed. But if you are getting good signals and you are still facing issue while receiving the text messages, then open settings. Now scroll down and tap on apps. Now again tap on this apps option and then scroll down, and here look for messages app. Now open the app and then go to its storage. Now clear the cache memory of messages app. So to clear the cache memory, just simply tap on clear cache and cache memory will be cleared, and after that the messages issue will be fixed. But after all these solutions, if you are still facing the same issue, then the last solution is open settings again. Now scroll down to the end and tap on system and updates and then tap on software update. Now from here check if your phone's software is updated to the latest version or not. So if it's not updated, then update the software, and after updating the software you will start receiving the text messages. So that's how you can fix the text messages not receiving issue in MagicOS 8. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.